Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin. Today's episode is called Vegan Cooking. Veganism is no longer a niche lifestyle, but a thriving movement celebrated for its ethical, environmental, and health-conscious approach to food. As more people embrace plant-based diets, the art of vegan cooking has evolved from bland and uninspired to vibrant and innovative. However, like any culinary endeavour, it comes with its own set of challenges and advantages, shaping the experiences of both seasoned chefs and home cooks alike. One of the primary challenges of vegan cooking lies in navigating the vast landscape of plant-based ingredients. While traditional cooking relies heavily on animal products for flavour, texture, and nutritional content, vegan cuisine calls for creative substitutions and experimentation. From tofu to tempeh to jackfruit and nutritional yeast, the array of plant-based ingredients can be both exciting and overwhelming. Moreover, sourcing specialty items or exotic produce may pose logistical challenges depending on one's location. Access to vegan-friendly supermarkets or farmers' markets varies, making it essential for cooks to adapt and find alternatives readily available in their area. However, this limitation can also foster innovation, encouraging cooks to explore local and seasonal produce, thus supporting sustainability and reducing their carbon footprint. Despite the initial hurdles, mastering vegan cooking opens doors to a world of flavors and culinary possibilities. By embracing herbs, spices, and aromatic ingredients, cooks can create vibrant and complex dishes that rival their omnivorous counterparts. The absence of meat and dairy allows other ingredients to shine, showcasing the natural sweetness of vegetables, the richness of nuts and seeds, and the umami depth of fermented products. Moreover, vegan cooking encourages creativity and experimentation in the kitchen, from delectable plant-based desserts to hearty main courses. The challenge lies in balancing texture and flavors to create satisfying and memorable meals. With the rise of social media and online communities, aspiring vegan chefs have access to a wealth of recipes, tutorials, and inspiration, fostering a supportive environment for culinary exploration. A common misconception about veganism is that it lacks essential nutrients, leading to concerns about inadequate protein intake, vitamin deficiencies, and overall nutritional imbalances. However, with careful planning and knowledge, vegan cooking can provide a diverse and well-rounded diet that meets all nutritional needs. One advantage of vegan cooking is its focus on whole, unprocessed foods, which are inherently rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. By incorporating a variety of grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, cooks can create balanced and nutritious meals that promote overall health and well-being. Additionally, plant-based diets have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Beyond personal health, vegan cooking has a profound impact on the environment and animal welfare. The livestock industry is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution, making plant-based diets a sustainable choice for conscientious consumers. By opting for vegan ingredients, cooks can minimize their ecological footprint and support ethical farming practices. Furthermore, vegan cooking promotes compassion and mindfulness in food consumption. By abstaining from animal products, cooks align their culinary choices with their values of kindness and respect for all living beings. This sense of connection extends beyond the kitchen, fostering a holistic approach to sustainable living and social responsibilities. Vegan cooking is a multifaceted journey, characterized by both challenges and advantages. While navigating the diverse world of plant-based ingredients may seem daunting at first, it offers endless opportunities for creativity, flavor exploration, and culinary innovation. Even if you just try to take part in Veganuary or have one meal each week, you can start to explore the recipes available to you. By embracing the principles of health, sustainability, and compassion, you can transform your kitchen into a sanctuary of delicious and ethical delights, one plant-based meal at a time. So roll up your sleeves, sharpen your knives, and embark on a culinary adventure where every dish tells a story of nourishment, vitality, and mindful living. As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning. Immerse yourself in a personalized language journey and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.